Hi everyone. This is actually a bonus video, an extra video, video number 9, because some of you have been asking about printables and how I learn how to create them and everything. So I wanted to put a little short video together for you to teach you how to earn passive income with printables. So if you're wondering then, how did I learn to design them, to market them, and to sell them? I mentioned that I didn't do this on my own, that I actually took a class, an amazing class, that actually gets updated all the time with the latest information, and it comes with an amazing community that I'm part of. So I just wanted to go ahead and share it with you. So I showed you before some of the printables that I've created. Some of them I sell them on my Etsy store. I'm just starting to really focus on the Etsy store right now, to grow it and grow that marketplace. In the past, I sold a lot of these ones just directly via email. People have asked me for them, and I make them for them and sell them. Or I've created the style binder, which is like my signature product for helping people with their personal style. And I've sold a lot of those like via Instagram or in my Facebook group. And then I've also created a lot of printables. If you're part of our membership, there's tons of guides, there's calendars, there's tons of resources that I've created from scratch, right? All of those I have designed them thanks to this class. I've also designed a lot of like opt-in, freebies, guides, right? Free resources to help my community. And I've learned all of this from an amazing lady, and her name is Michelle Rohr. And Michelle has this amazing course called Passive Income with Printables, where she goes, step by step on how to do this. If you want to learn how to create printables and digital planners, which is a new part of the course too, we're creating digital notebooks. I've already created my first digital planner, my first digital notebook, my first like dream book, like different products, because nowadays, you can either create these kind of products and people can print them and fill them out, or you can create them for people who want to be green and want to do everything online with iPads, with phones, right? So digital planners are something that are big right now, and people are using them in their tablets. So if you're interested in learning how to create these printables and digital planners and digital products, this is a great course for that. This course is for people who want to create a side income, turning their knowledge into digital downloads. And over time, like we've taught in this passive income class, this is something that you can keep growing, and growing, and then it can become your full-time income and then a humongous source of income. Even if you're not a graphic designer, this course will teach you how to design your own planners from scratch and make a side income selling them on Etsy. So I am not a graphic designer. I'm not very techy actually, but I am very creative, and I do like aesthetics and making everything look beautiful because of my background in fashion and TV. So I'm more about vision and things in a pretty way and putting those elements together. So even if you're not a graphic designer, this course is perfect for you because she teaches it in a way that it's very simple to understand, and she gives you a lot of tools to help you with that. She also provides a lot of templates, which are amazing. This course walks you step by step through how to turn that idea of that principle, that idea that you have, into a principle or that digital download that you want to create that other people will buy. And something I love about this course is that their promise is that you can put together your Etsy store and open it in just 5 days. And this is totally true because I did it and it's possible. So I went through the program, I've created all these digital printables, uh, by learning and participating in an active community where you can ask questions, and where you also build relationships that have amazing friendships in there. It's a beautiful community. And yeah, if you are interested too, I have a link for you. I am endorsing this product because I love it, and I would make a small commission, right, if you join, because I'm part of their affiliate program too. But this is something that I'm 100% recommending because I use it every day of my life, and it has increased my passive income, and it has allowed me to create beautiful products. And it's fun, it's helpful, it generates income. And if you want to learn and you want to be a part of it, well, you can join us too, for sure. So here's the link. You can check out all the information. This link has all the information, everything that is included. You have testimonials, everything. She'll show you the different kind of products, all that kind of stuff. So I have this link here. You don't have to write it down. I'll also add a link below the video so you can check it out. And if you're interested or you have any questions at all, just let me know. This is really a great way to generate passive income. And again, it's something that you create once and you can keep making money over and over again. It's a beautiful world. It's a great way to express your creativity and to help people with these products. So yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys because you've been asking me questions on how do you start this, how do you learn, how you get it out there. So this is the why and the answer to all those questions. So I hope that this was helpful. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can send me an email or you can share inside the Facebook group, and I'll be happy to help. I hope you have enjoyed this. Bye, guys.